Hey, hey, hey. Happy Vlogmas Day 21. We are on the countdown to Christmas and it's been wild in this house today. So, my son and I have been preparing for family to come over for our annual Christmas morning brunch. And so that means we're pulling out extra bedding, we're washing, we're getting prepared for out-of-state guests and all of those things. And so I keep looking around because this house looks wild. And we're getting a late start to Vlogmas today. It's already 5 o'clock in the evening. And I wasn't sure what I was going to vlog today because I kind of feel like sitting in the bed, you know what I mean? Sipping on some waters and watching some shows. But we have been cleaning and we are about to put up my son's Christmas tree. So his personal bedroom Christmas tree has not been put up yet. So we finally got his room straightened up and we're washing clothes and things. And so we thought it would be grand if we go ahead and put up his bedroom Christmas tree. So come with us as we put together his Christmas tree, and maybe if I have just enough energy, I need to do something with our door. Right now there's nothing on the door. I decorated our door for the first time last Christmas and I really enjoyed it, but this Christmas I really just didn't feel like fighting with the door because baby, I was fighting for my life with that door. But I'm thinking maybe I can do like a wreath with some of the extra ornaments that I have, but we'll have to see. So come with us as we do our last minute preps for Christmas. I changed on a chair. I said sit them on a chair for the time being. My son put it out. Are these school pants?
Yeah,
or?
those are school pants.
Yes, I absolutely look crazy and I'm a-okay with it. But I'm going to try to decorate my door with some leftover ornaments that I have. I have leftover black ornaments and a few pink ones. So I'm going to try to create some kind of garland for this door. Girl, throw it all away. Let's see what we can get into. Well, good girlfriends, I'm going to call it a night because I just tried to put I made us a garland out of balls. I chose the wrong kind of twine to put it on, and when I tried to hang it, it fell. Okay, it fell and my stress level got high. So I will try this again tomorrow, maybe, or I'll just scrap it and we'll just have a plain door. You see what I'm saying? Because one thing for certain and two things for sure, I can't be stressing about it. I got perimenopause. I'm a high baby. Okay, I came back in the house and I was just like, son, it fell. And he had to come help his mother before I... Listen, thank you for joining us. Ow! For Vlogmas Day 21. I appreciate you for putting up with me and my shenanigans. I pray that you come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. I have no clue what we're doing tomorrow, but if you see this house, you would say that's what you need to be doing. You would say tomorrow, you know what you need to be doing? This house, okay? But in the meantime, in between time, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Toodles.